reliable web hosting to install WordPress. Once the basic website is ready, we can connect Claude and other AI tools to customize the design and manage WordPress much faster. So I dropped a link in the video description. This will give you 10% off to create your WordPress website with Hostinger. All right, so this is Hostinger.com. Now, Hostinger.com is among the fastest web hosting and also the most affordable in the industry. Now, once you get here, you'll click on Start Now. Now, before we talk about the pricing plans, I just want to let everybody know here that they also give you a 30-day money-back guarantee for any reason whatsoever. So if this video did not work out for you, if you don't like them, no problem. You can always get your money back. Now, they offer 3 different plans, but I'm only going to recommend one. I recommend to go with the unlimited plan. This will give you access to host unlimited websites on Hostinger. You also get a free domain and NVMe storage on your server, which is much faster than typical SSD. So once you get to this page, I definitely recommend to go with the unlimited plan. So here we'll click on Choose Plan. Now on the next page, you'll select your pay rate. Now, if I click on this drop-down arrow, you'll see that we have 48 months, 24 months, and 12 months. Now, real quick, I'm not trying to sell you guys or anything, but 4 years of web hosting for under $200, you're not gonna find a better deal than that. But I do understand some of you might not wanna fork out that money. I totally get it. So I definitely recommend to go with at least the 12-month plan. So here, I'll select 12 months. This will grant you a free domain name and you'll still qualify for the 30-day money-back guarantee for any reason whatsoever. Now we have a coupon code, all right. Over here, if you click on the have a coupon code and you enter the coupon code Darrel10 and click on apply, you will get an additional 10% off any of the plans at Hostinger, including the 4-year plan. So this coupon code works for any of the plans, including VPS, Horizons, and their basic web hosting. So once you enter that coupon code, you will then click on continue. Next, you'll register and create an account. So here, I'll go ahead and fill this out. On the next page, you'll fill out your billing address. So you'll put in your first name, your last name, your address, and your social security number. I'm just kidding, guys. No social security. It's a joke. All right. So just fill out your billing information. And once you do that, you'll click on continue. On the next section, you will then enter in your credit card info. You can also use PayPal if you want to go that route. So right here, I'll enter in my credit card information. Once you enter your credit card information, you'll then click on submit payment. Okay, so once you make the payment, it'll then tell you that your journey is beginning and then it'll redirect you to the next page. Now it may ask you a series of questions. So right here, I'll click on create a new website. Next, it'll ask you how you want to build your website. You'll go ahead and select WordPress and then click on next. Next, you'll enter in your free domain name. So here, you'll type in your free domain. Okay, so I entered in my free domain, and once you enter your domain, you will then click on next. Next, it may prompt you to register your domain. This is important when you want to claim ownership and if you ever want to sell or transfer your domain. So go ahead and fill this out. Okay, so now it's registering our domain. Next, it'll ask you about your target audience or where you're doing business. In my specific case, I will select United States. So right here, I'll select United States. Once you select your country, you will then click on next. Next, you'll create your WordPress login credentials. Now, I recommend to write this down because you'll need this in order to log in and log out of WordPress. So here is my email and then my password. And once you enter this in, right here, you'll see this build from scratch. Go ahead and click on build from scratch. Now it's installing WordPress. So let's go ahead and play this game here. See how many times I can jump over this. Look at that. All right. Okay, so it's about 99% done. My score was 407. So if you do beat that, let me know in the comments below. And voila, this is now your new WordPress website. Now, if you want to see your website live on the internet, here at the top left, if you click on visit sites, this is your new WordPress website. Little plain, little boring, but not to worry, we're going to make this look amazing. So let's go back to our dashboard. Now, before we go on any further, let's first check our email to verify our domain and our Hostinger account. So going to my Gmail account, you should get an email from Hostinger right here in order to verify your domain. So I'll click on this email and then I'll click on verify email. And then our domain is verified. Now it's very important to verify your domain. If you do not do it within 30 days, they are going to refund you and they are going to cancel your domain. So make sure you click on that link and verify your email. Anyways, next I'll click on continue to home. And this is the Hostinger H panel. Now don't worry, we'll come back to this in just a bit. Let's go back to WordPress. Now, the first thing I want to do is I want to disable all these plugins and banners. Now, plugins are essentially like applications for your websites, but the first thing I recommend to do here is just disable all of the Hostinger plugins. We love Hostinger, but we just don't want their plugins everywhere because they get a little annoying. So right here, I'm going to check all these plugins. I'll click on deactivates and click on apply. And then I'll delete these plugins. You can always install these later. So here, I'll click on deletes and apply. Okay, cool. So we just have our caching plugin, and this is a pretty useful plugin to make your website a little bit more faster. Now, let me first show you how to actually log into your live website. If you actually go to visit sites, you notice here how we're on this demo domain, like this is a sample domain. Let me show you how to actually log into your website. Now, there's two ways to do this. The first thing I'll do is I'll log out of this website. Right here, I'll click on log out. Okay, so now we're logged out. Now let's go over here to Hostinger, and then I'll click on websites. So this is my current domain. So I just want to make sure that I open up this domain right here. So this is oriontutorial.com. And this is our new WordPress website. Now we can go ahead and close this tab because this was using a temporary domain. Now, if you want to log into your WordPress website, it's actually quite simple. All you'll need to do is enter your domain name. And then at the end, you type in -wp-admin, just like that, and press enter. And this will bring you to the login screen. And then this will bring you to the login screen. And this is where you can enter in your credentials for WordPress. So here, I'll go ahead and type mine in. Okay, I'll click on Remember Me, and then I'll click on Login. And then we're logged back into our WordPress website. And if I go over here to visit sites, you will now see that we have our live website with our new domain name. Now, let's say, for example, you forgot your password, right? Maybe you forgot to write it down. Maybe you wrote something wrong. If you go over here to Hostinger, if you click on WP admin right here under the website section, this will log you directly into your WordPress website without a password. So right here, I'll click on WP admin, and then we're logged back